to use your MC350. The MC350 is a connected device that measures in a very simple way different types of comfort: temperature, noise, illuminance, and humidity. If this is the first time you're using the device, before anything else, you must take your MC350 and open the plastic housing, remove the plastic protection from the battery, and put back the plastic housing. Next, to use the MC350, you must download the MC350 application, which is available on Apple Store and Play Store for Android devices. Before opening the application, please ensure your Bluetooth is activated. Return to your home screen, find the MC350 app, launch it, and click on Allow Access to Microphone. If it's the first time you're using the app, you'll be asked to complete your profile. Connect your device to the app by clicking on the Connection button. The app will ask you to turn on the MC350 device and verify that the green light is flashing. Your smartphone will search for the device. Once the MC350 is confirmed, you will have direct access to the app's home screen. The home screen shows all 4 measurement parameters: temperature, noise, illuminance, and humidity. Click on each parameter for more details, such as relevant comfort zone and scientific facts. Before starting, make sure that your MC350 is on a flat surface with the logo visible in order to make a proper measurement. To record a measurement with your MC350, first click on the top right red button. Now you are recording. To stop recording, click again. Now you can rate your own comfort. Indicate the place you're in. Write a comment if you want. And share it with us. You will find all your measurements by clicking on the Archive tab. You can choose a recording to have a closer look at the data. And by clicking on the 3 dots at the top right, you can rename the recording, delete it, or export it by email in Excel format. Local and international measurement campaigns will soon be launched. To participate, click on the Campaign tab and help improve comfort worldwide and build great living places. Now you're able to measure your comfort anywhere you go.